Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video you're going to assemble a gender neutral kids basket with me. All the items here that I'm giving you an over glance is what I'm going to be putting. Everything here is from the Dollar Tree, guys. Very affordable. If you need last minute kids ideas or if you need some inspiration, I definitely hope this video helps. This is the little basket I'm going to be using. How adorable is that? And everything here is from $5 and under, guys. Like I said, super affordable, and it's gender neutral, so it could work for a boy and a girl. As you see right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put the little tissue in there just to make it extra cute, guys. You definitely don't have to do it, but I just thought it would add a little touch. So let's assemble this little kids basket together. So I'm going to be actually using this little doctor's kit that was also $5 instead of the little magnetic board, just because it fit better, guys. But definitely such a good price for $5. I love it, and I think it's perfect for, like I said, boy and girl. Goes with the Mickey and Paw Patrol theme. So now I'm going to go ahead and just assemble everything as cute as possible. So let's keep going. I'm absolutely loving how this kids basket is turning out, guys. And as I always say, don't put a lot of pressure on yourself. They're going to love it mainly because it's from you and with all your love. That's what really matters. I'm showing you how you can definitely do a beautiful basket with Dollar Tree items with all these things that your kids are going to love and use, which is the best part. Tell me this basket isn't absolutely adorable, perfect for any little boy and girl. Even if your budget is a little low this Christmas season, I just wanted to show you that you can make an amazing kids basket using Dollar Tree items they're going to absolutely love. I hope this was inspiring to you guys, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye for now.